Yeah, yeah, yeah. Well, before we do anything else, guys, hey, don't forget it. Just click the like button. It only takes you like a second, right? It doesn't take you that much. Only a second. And don't forget to subscribe. We are trying to make it to 5,000 subscribers. Okay, so come on, do me a favor. Just subscribe and click the like button. And also don't forget to drop a nice comment. If you don't have anything nice to say, all you can do is just drop me a nice emoji. If you are crying, drop one. If you are laughing like me, drop it. drop one just like me. Okay, but anyways, what's up, guys? Welcome. Welcome back to my channel. Before we proceed, please understand that this, my friends, is not financial advice. You are more than free to do whatever you like with your money. And so am I. And that being said, let's grab a sip of coffee from my Kaspa Maxi mug. This coffee tastes good with Kaspa. Everything, guys, definitely everything tastes better with Kaspa. Today we're about to do the same thing we do every day. First, we're gonna look at market. Tropicious magicians. Yeah. Oh my God, guys. Man, we're gonna look at market performance for the past 24 hours. Right after that, we'll check at prices in details. And once we're done with that, we'll look at my son's Acorns account. Like I told you guys, I really don't have time to trade. I've been busy, with my own corporations and shit like that. So, to scalp the market, like I said, you need to be able to have time to sit in front of the computer. But yeah, I'm busy working. I can't. Meeting after meeting, this after this. I don't have time for that. But anyways, when I get time, I will try to see if there is any entries or not. But yeah, for those of you who are scalping, the question, as always, are we buying Lambos yet? But honestly speaking, this coffee, I don't know, maybe it's my mug that is making it taste better, but it really tastes good. You've got to try it. It's like mushroom coffee. It really tastes nice. But anyways, yeah, for days, Bitcoin, once Bitcoin took off, everybody and their grandmama got happy, right? And I remember sitting here telling you like, yep, it's a trap. Don't do it. It's a trap. And everybody and their grandmama keep telling me, yeah, you're this and that, and blah blah blah. But again, I'm the on. Go check my videos since last year. I've been telling you, Kaspa is going to be the only one running in 2026. Remember that? I was saying it and I'll keep saying it over and over again. That you might look at what the market is doing now. That's okay. Things always happen. But Kaspa, we are getting there. The development is getting there. We are almost, it's like a situation where you are baking a cake, right? Okay, you are baking a cake like Uncle T this morning. Uncle T, Uncle, Uncle T was like, yo, Neff, guess what? I said, what? I said, what am I supposed to guess right now? He said, dude, you remember you telling these motherfuckers to run away from this thing and nobody listen? I said, yeah. He said, the neighbor right now, the neighbor right now is asking for your number. I said, where are they asking for my number from? In the middle of this conversation, Uncle T is told like, I'm like, dude, what are you doing? He goes, he goes, 70% flour, 2 eggs. Yeah, there is that. There's a pinch of sugar. I'm like, Uncle T, what are you doing? He said, I think the neighbor, the fourth neighbor down the street, they're cooking a cheesecake. I'm like, Jesus Christ. you you know they're cooking a cheesecake. He said, yep, I know they're cooking a cheesecake. And now I can even tell you, he still got like 5 more minutes before it is ready. I'm like, dude, are you a fan of cheesecake that bad that you can tell? He said, yeah, I think that I'm gonna ask. It smell like a little bit strawberry. I'm like, dude, so you're a fan of cheesecake that bad that you already know what temperature it is, what they're putting in there, how much is left for it to get cooked, and everything else. I'm like, dude, something is wrong with you. You need a psychologist. Uncle T, Uncle T can tell you a cheesecake at what stage it is, if it is ready to eat, if it is that, how long it takes for it to finish the cooking. And while talking to him, he goes, 3, 2, 1, and then we heard kang. I said, what the hell is that? I said, like, that's the oven. I'm like, oh, hell no. Hell no. You didn't just get this right. That's the kind of thing. Like, it is so funny when you know something, you can easily tell where it's going, right? We sat here for day after day. I know people who usually laugh at me because every 2 weeks I buy Kaspa, right? You guys know this. Every 2 weeks I put in $1,100 in there, and sometime very soon I probably will put more than that in it. But people always laugh at me when they say you don't know what you're doing. And I kept saying, in every investment, you have to understand something, okay? You do your research. Once you are convinced that what you found out is good, you put in your money. You put your money, then you let the development, let the dev do their thing. Once the development is done, those green candles that you are busy chasing up and down with Bitcoin, with the Crashlandia, with Hackylandia, with the dying one, those green candles are going to start to appear. But nobody paid attention to it. Now we are getting closer, right? We're now in March, getting closer to, to May, and you start to see, right? Today, the entire market was running before and then started to fall. Guess what held? Kaspa held the price. And again, I keep telling you, do not get fooled by it, because again, we can still see Kaspa go to 4 cents and still crash back down. Because again, we are looking at the entire market differently. But hey, for those of you that have that conviction, those of you who know what you want, like yours truly, like I said, I am looking for generational wealth. I don't just want to be rich and be done with it. If that was what I wanted to, I have 30 Bitcoins. I would have just sit down and relax, right? For those of you who think 30 Bitcoins is a lot, to me, I don't think so. I think 30 Bitcoin, that 30 Bitcoin is just 1 cent. I would have sat down. But no, I know what I want. I'm looking for generational wealth, money, not just for me. Because if it was just for me, like I said, yeah, 30 Bitcoin would have been enough. But I'm looking for money for myself, for my son, for my son's sons, and generations to come. Because somebody has to sacrifice. You understand? If you are looking for something like generational wealth, somebody has to start it. If I say, you know what, I'm not going to do it, let my son do it, what tells me that he's going to do it? And what would his motivation be? But if you start it this way, like I always tell my son, I say, listen, see what your father's up to? I'm flying here and there, going back and there. Sometimes I work 14 hours, sometimes I work 12, sometimes I go to sleep and get up at 5 o'clock in the morning and I still gotta go. Is that the life you want for yourself? No, that's not what you want. Okay, guess what? I'm going to motivate you in a simple way. Okay? I'm going to talk to my son. That's the way I do. I'm going to motivate you in a simple way. By the time I'm done, say retirements, I'm no longer working, maybe my net worth is what? God willing, probably 100 million, 200 million, or $1 billion, who knows? By the time you take over that and you hang up your hat to your son, which is going to be my grandson, okay, your network probably be 10 times where I'm standing right now. You understand? Motivate them. We start from that little thing, which again, Everybody think if you want to be a multimillionaire, you want generational wealth, you have to start going into gold, silver, and all that. No, no. Just a week. I have proven you wrong just in a week. You remember since last week, everybody, that grandmama, yeah, now Bitcoin is going to $90,000. Oh, yeah, we seeing gold is going to $10,000 and this and that's going to happen. And I sat here, I told you, do not get fooled. They are not trading the real Bitcoin. They are trading paper Bitcoin. Do not get fooled with gold, because that gold, the chart was parabolic straight up. When that motherfucker crashes, it's gonna yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Right, right. Nobody paid attention. I even told you the stock market, when you look at it, stock market only had 5 to 10% to the upside, then it's gonna crash. I told you that, right? Yeah, the rally came, the stock market went up, I think it was 5% or 6% or something like that. Where are we today? See, this is just the start of that downwards pressure. It's the start, because the way I stand about it, and and again, I know my method doesn't work for many people because one simple thing, they don't have patience. When I tell you I am where I am today, I'm not the best, okay? I'm not a multi-billionaire yet, like I want to be. I know a lot of you think $2-3 million is a lot of money. I don't think so. For me, it's not. I gotta get above that, okay? So to get to where I am today, it took those two things: patience and consistency. That's what it took. And the fact that I'm able to look at an asset, the fact that I'm able to do my research, okay, and then hold on to my conviction. That's hold on to it. Just again, we're talking about Kaspa on this channel every day, all day long, and yet people still don't see it. People still don't see it. You're looking at it right now, like everybody, oh, Bitcoin here, Bitcoin there, and I keep telling you, even with examples, we're showing it to you. Stay away from Bitcoin, and nobody listening, right? When people got into Bitcoin, what was the main motivation? They did not want to get controlled by the government, right? You wanted peer-to-peer money, which I can send you my money today without having to tell anybody from the with the blue suit telling you, hey, I'm about to send 10 grand, right? We want a situation where I'm about to send you anything, and in 2 seconds it's already in your wallet, right? Those are the things we wanted. We wanted, excuse me, we want a situation where even we're in a bull run, I can be able to trade without having to pay higher fees. Even in the bear market, when everybody and their grandmama is selling their shit, I want to be able to trade without higher fees, right? We want a situation where you want to be able to build anything on the blockchain without it crashing. We want a situation where banking will be more smoother than you sliding on some oil, right? We want a situation where you can go to the store instantly, use your money however you want it, just pay for shit, and in 2 seconds it's out. That's what we wanted, and that's the whole reason of all this I just mentioned. You can see how people kept hopping from one chain to another. Bitcoin came out, it didn't work, right? They hopped to the dying one, Ethereum. Ethereum, they tried, it didn't work. They hopped to the Hackylandia, okay? Okay, they hopped to Crashylandia. Solana, which again kept crashing, but you couldn't get satisfied because what we are looking for on the blockchain wasn't there. And next thing they did, they hopped into the Hackylandia, the one with the big rat chewing their cables and stuff, right? And what happened? They're still not satisfied. They're still looking for it. And that's what I'm telling you right now. When you look at Kaspa and you look at everything Kaspa is, well, some of it is still on paper. On paper, the rest of them is being already shown to you. All right, you can see it, and that Kaspa is the ultimate, okay, ultimate blockchain. Everything we ever wanted on blockchain, Kaspa is bringing to the table. And you sit there you look at it, huh, price 2 cents, price 3 cents, like everybody was crying about, and I kept telling you, I'm accumulating. It doesn't matter the price, right? Right now, it's not even live yet. Kaspa is not on national TV yet. Oh, well, only in Israel that you've seen it. It's not even in the mouth of everybody. No Black Rocks, okay? No Coinbase, no Binance or nothing. Well, we know Binance knows about it, but they try to suppress it. But anyways, Kaspa, what I'm trying to tell you that Kaspa, what I'm trying to tell you is that Kaspa is not on mainstream yet. And this is your opportunity. And when I say opportunity, I mean, this is the time, okay? You, my friends, are supposed to pack up those bags. Because just like you see right now, the entire market crashing, Casper's running. And this is the start. This is not even funny yet. But yeah, I'm still buying on my spot. Although, like I told you guys, I think Casper is going to drop. It's going to drop because once Bitcoin start to go again close to 50K, 60, 50K, the entire market is going to drop. It's going to drop. But again, if VPROX comes out and they start taking traction, Casper is going to be running in 2026. And you will see. Okay? But anyways, you start to see that. You get your money. You know the development is going on. You know everything is happening. Now is the time you pack your bags because those green candles are no longer far away. Huh? Wink, wink. Again, I'm not your financial advisor, but wink, wink. It's up to you. You do you, I will do me, and God will bless America. Do not fall from what they are telling you. Because right now, remember when I usually tell you, you need only put your money on utility coins. If I were you, leveraging, like I said yesterday, leverage trading is different than spot trading. On my spot trading, I am packing King Kaspa, Quant, Jasmine, and don't forget cash. The cash part has started to make sense, isn't it? Because again, stock market is going to crash even lower than this. And when it goes, I will go to the bank laughing because that's when I'm going to go and grab that cash part and start to buy everything that I need to take me to my generational wealth destination. But King Kaspa is my number one choice because again, for those of you who keep laughing about it, when I tell you Kaspa is the real Bitcoin, right? I keep saying it and people just look at me and they just make fun of it. Okay? So, you are free. You are more than free to go and do whatever you want. But so far, have I proven you? Have I proven myself? Have I done? Because again, everybody in that grandmama who kept saying, yeah, the bull run is now this and this is now happening. And now we are going up. Now we are doing this. What do you see? What do you see? I told you guys, things is just... The craziest part is that everybody keep thinking like, oh, we're going to wake up tomorrow morning and yeah, it's done with. No, that is not war. War doesn't work like that. Go look at history. It doesn't work like 2 weeks things and then we're done with. No, it doesn't work. The logistics of the entire world has been disrupted and it's going to take, I'm telling you, it's going to take, you should start looking at April, May. That's by then you should start hearing, okay, we're done tired of throwing stones. Okay, or maybe the other people are going to be like, you know what? Enough is enough. You've thrown a lot of stones at us and you know what? We give up. Either or, you are going to start hearing that. And then that's when you're going to start seeing the market starts to look for signs of recovery. Everybody and their grandmama don't pay attention to this. For those of you trading crypto, go look at the alligator, okay? There is the alligator indicator. That's what I use. If you look at it, you are going to see we have not even started the crash yet. We have the thing just the tip of the ice because this thing is going to go even lower, way lower than this, way lower. And the mentality is there because for me, I don't care what Bitcoin does. I still have all my Kaspa. I haven't sold even one. I still have it because, hey, I know that's where my money is going to come from. But people, for some reason, once Bitcoin start to drop, they start selling their everything, including their grandmama's house. They start selling everything. For what reason? I don't know. But well, everybody does everybody, right? You do you, I will do me, and God will bless America. That's what I'm telling you. Bitcoin going down to $50,000 is going to drag the entire market lower, lower than anything, and the opportunities are going to be there, because when it goes down there, that's when I'm planning on opening my legendary long trades. That's what I'm planning on doing it. And I told you, for this we are still in the bear market. In the bull run, King Kaspa, Jasmine, Bitcoin, Quant, those are the coins that I'm going to trade. I'm going to long them. So yeah, we're still sitting here, and everybody's not taking their time. You're not taking the opportunity, because they are just, oh yeah, oh my goodness, I don't know, it was going up, oh nope, now we're going down, oh my goodness. Now if you keep on like that, you're going to lose a lot of money. Now is the time you need to scalp the market. If you're not scalping the market, every time you get paid, take some amount of cash, put on the side. Trust me, you're going to need it. Before you know it, the next 2 to 3 months, we get to the bottom, you will have you $4,000 or $5,000 or something like that, which you can use. If you cannot long the four of them, at least you can long one of them, right? It is time. It is going to come. It's going to happen. But it's not time yet, right? But anyways, yeah, you can follow the entire crowd, and I will sit here every day and laugh at you. Yeah. It is up to you if you want to make money or if you want to lose money. But my friend, losing money is not a document that my millionaire journey MMJ will co-sign with you. No. We are not in the business of losing money. So unfortunately, I cannot co-sign that move that document with you. If you're going to Rec City, you better go by yourself. I'm trying to make generational wealth, not losing it. Anyways, guys, let's go right quick. Let's go look at the market. Let's see how the market has been performing for the past 24 hours. Okay. To do that, we are going to need our good friend Crypto Bubbles. Where are you? Right here. Yeah. You see, I try to tell you, right? Yeah. I try to tell you. And those of you who listen, congratulations. If you did not listen, yeah. Anyways, let's start first with King Kaspa, KAS, and we have here. For the past hour, 0.4% up, 6.5% up on the day, 27.7% up on the week, 21% up on the month, and 48.9% down on the year, sitting at a market cap of $1.04 billion and a 24 hours volume traded at $49.74 million. Okay, I told you Kaspa is going to be the only one running 26, but this is not the real deal yet. Okay, anyways, now we go to the next one, which is going to be our good friend QNT, the banker's coin, and the coin a lot of people love to hate. What do we have? 0.8% up in the last hour, 1.9% up on the day, 15.4% up on the week, 3.1% up on the month, and 4.7% down on the year, sitting at the market cap of $1.05 billion and a 24 hours volume traded at $16.17 million. Okay, we go to the next one, which is going to be Cubic. Okay, high risk, high reward. We have here 1.1% down in the last hour, 0.4% up on the day, 15.7% up on the week, 88.3% up on the month, and 21.2% down on the year, sitting at the market cap of $129.24 million and a 24 hours volume traded at $3.10 million. We go to the next one, Jasmine, the Japanese Bitcoin. And we do have 0.4% up in the last hour, 3.8% down on the day, 2.4% up on the week, 1.5% down on the month, and 55.7% down on the year, sitting at the market cap of $292.29 million and a 24 hours volume traded at $17.43 million. Now we look at Jonathan Spector, which he calls Bitcoin, and I call the orange guy. Let's see. 0.1% down the last hour, 4.3% down on the day, 1% up on the week, 3.5% up on the month, and 13.2% down on the year, sitting at a market cap of $1.42 trillion and a 24 hours volume traded at $47.05 billion. Now, everybody and their grandmama, and I'm telling you, this is just the start. Because again, again, if this doesn't spell it to you, I don't know what else will. You can see on the hourly red, right? Daily red. Next thing, weekly is gonna flip. Then monthly is gonna flip. So, yeah, you do you, right? I will do me, and God will bless America, like I always say. But anyways, we go look at prices in details. We see here S&P 500 6.6. Okay, yeah, it is still, I think it's like when the price goes down too fast and then it bounces a little bit like a dead cat bounce. That's what we're looking at. But anyways, you're looking at Dixie going up and Bitcoin dropping. You remember I was telling you guys yesterday, right, when I said Bitcoin, the dollar dropping, that was what was trying to pump Bitcoin. But you already know rate cuts are not coming. And with rate cuts not coming, money printing is not going to happen. And I keep saying it here on this channel. But oh well, it's up to you. You see the result. Bitcoin dropped from 75,000 to 71. And now, well, anyways, yeah. We're looking at King Kaspa first. Like I said, this right now, for those of you scalping the market, yeah, you are making money out of it because we have another buy signal again on the hourly, and we have an uptrend. But again, if you zoom out for Kaspa, you will see that Kaspa is in a, I think we can see it on the 4-hourly cup and the handle, or on the daily. Let's see, cup and handle situation. Oh, come on, I think the daily should do better. Excuse me. Daily should do better because I want to show you something. We haven't hit it yet. But anyways, you can see, I've been telling you guys again, another bullish formation is going to be the falling wedge. And as you can see, Kaspa is getting close, almost touching that resistance. Okay, the resistance that we're talking about right here, which is sitting around that 4.2 or 4 cents thereabout. Okay, that's why I'm telling you, you should not be rejoicing yet. If you're scalping the market, that's great, but so far it's not time for it yet, because what I see is that Kaspa is going to hit this resistance and we're going to come back down again. Okay, and when we come back down, we're going to be looking at that 2.5 or probably 2 cents thereabout. That's what we're looking at. But hey, for me, this is just for those of you trading on leverage. For spot markets, you don't even care whether it comes back down or not. I still buy. So you got to be careful with that. Okay, just be careful. Be careful with that, because when you zoom out, you can also see it. See, we've been through that resistance, support, resistance, support, resistance, support. Now we're going again up to the resistance, and we are still, it's still a little bit long way to go on this falling wedge. You can see it better when you put it on the weekly. Okay, see, you can see it better when we're still on the weekly. So I think we should be waiting at least, let's get here in May. By the time we get in May, we should see what the market is going to do. That's why I still think it's going to drop. Okay, I still think it's going to drop. Let's extend this thing up for a little bit and see something. Oh, come on. If you extend it a little bit, you see it. See, I still think it's going to drop. So let's watch and see what Bitcoin decides to do. But anyways, regardless of that, for me, when I look at the market, anything under 10 cents is still nothing but noise. Above that, we do have 15 cents. And before you know it, we'll be looking at 18 cents, then all-time high. And before you know it, we will be into price discovery. So right now, again, do not be the one among those of them who are going to be losing their money. Just buy on spot and scalp the market. Okay, just, it's up to you, whatever you want to do. But hey, I can tell you right now, I am going to laugh. I'm going to be laughing at you. Okay, there is no two ways about it. I'm going to laugh. Now, if you want to be among the winners, great. If you don't want to, I don't know what to tell you. Oh my God. Anyways, let's go right quick. Let's go look at the next one, which is going to be my good friend QNT. Okay, let's see. QNT. Here we go, the banker's coin. And the coin a lot of people love to hate, right? So for quant, it's the same way with Kaspa. It's in an uptrend in a 1 hour. And again, still, you better be trading it with cautions. Because this pump right here, my friends, is not the real deal. It's not the real deal. I keep saying it, and everybody and their grandmama still looking at me differently. But well, that's up to you, right? Still, it's not the real deal. You better be careful with it, okay? Because again, when you look at it on the 4 hourly, what do you see? Okay, it's a nice uptrend. I can tell you that it's a nice uptrend. But a pay attention to Bitcoin, because Bitcoin has dropped from 75 to 71 or 70,000, and the Quant or Casper have not taken a breather yet. Okay, so please pay attention to Bitcoin. Pay attention to what's going on in the macroeconomy, because the signs are there. The signs are showing you that we are about to have the worst market crash ever in history is about to happen. So anyways, it's up to you, right? You do you, I will do me, and God will bless America, like I've been saying. Anyways, on the daily, we are also having the same situation. Okay, it is pumping, it looks nice. MACD looks strong, but yeah, not yet, because I'm looking at it. Look at that downtrend, right? Ribbon wants to wants to go green, but that's another thing again I am paying attention to. Again, look at this. You do have a buy and a sell signal all together. So yeah, do not get used for exit liquidity. Now these settings, unless, like I said, if you are trading on spot, you are good, just keep buying. But for those of us who are doing leverage, you better be careful, because this can swing downwards without a warning. Okay, regardless of that, I still think the same. Anything under $125 is nothing but noise. Above that, we do have 151, then 164. Before you know it, $230, and then all-time high. And before you know it, you will be in price discovery. But it's not time yet. Okay, it's not that time. Now is the time for accumulation. That's all we need. Anyways, guys, let's go right quick. Look at let's see. Let me go back right here. Okay, sorry about that. Anyways, now there you have it. You shouldn't be following 99.9% of the people, because you are going to lose a lot of money. It's that simple. Imagine those of them who were jumping in at $75,000 Bitcoin. Where are they sitting today? See, it is simple. Just look at macroeconomy. It's that simple. Anyways, let's go look at my son's Acorns account, because again, I don't have positions open, so there's nothing to look at over there. Still, be careful if you're going to leverage trade, because it's the easiest way you can lose your money. Down below, I do have the links if you want to do it. I do have Bydfi, Phemex, Wix, and Margex. Follow those links, sign up, okay? Meet their deposit requirements, and they give you free money. Once you get the free money, my friend, start trading. Take $20 and practice, because if you don't practice, you're just gonna give me another reason to laugh at you. Yeah. Also down below there, I do have the link for Acorn. Like I told you guys, we are trying to win this prize. So if you can please follow the link, sign up, so that we can win. And if the channel wins, I told you guys I am going to split it into two. One half, I'm going to ask the community, what you want to do it. Do you want to have one lucky winner, or do we want to make it to 4 different lucky winners, and then we can play it out that way. But anyways, follow it. You don't need to meet no deposit requirement on Acorn. All you have to do is follow the link, sign up. They give you $5, and you can start your investment journey. But anyways, yeah, let's go look at my son's Acorns account. Yesterday I was so proud of him. He made his first $1,000. So let's see what we are today. Yep, still holding up at $1,000. So he's really doing great. He's doing great. I'm proud of him. But anyways, now see what we do have. We are yeah, market is not doing great. We're still up 0.33%. So if you look at the stocks and ETFs, you see that we have the VOO, which is the S&P 500. We are sitting at 400 and excuse me, sitting at $459. IJH medium companies $80, IJR small companies $24, IXUS which are international companies $230. On the bonds and ETFs, we do have ISTB, which is short-term bonds for the US, $53, and the AGG sitting at we see that AGG, which is a US aggregate bonds, sitting at $154. But yeah, we're doing great. Like I said, I can't wait to look at his bank account when he's 20, because I'm planning to give it to him over to himself to manage by the time he's 20. I want to see. I pretty hope that he is going to do way better than myself when I was 20. I can't wait. I can't wait to see. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching my videos. Please don't forget to subscribe, okay? I'm trying to make it to 5,000 subscribers. Don't forget to drop a nice comment, okay? If you don't have anything nice to say, yeah, just drop me an emoji or drop me a like. Okay, don't forget, it's just 1 second. All it takes for you to drop that like. Okay, and also don't forget to share so that other millionaire-minded attitude like you and yours truly, we all can see these videos and the family can grow. Right now, I'm about to get back to work because again, I told you guys, MMJ website is coming up, which is going to include news about Kaspa. We're going to include our buying and selling. Whenever I open a long, you are going to see it. If I close my short, you're going to see it. Everything I do is going to be done, but that section of the website is going to be for paid people only. You have to pay for it, so I'm sorry. So yeah, anyways guys, until I see you in my next one, please be careful out there, okay? Bye bye.